we're going to use the MerSearch tool to find articles. In the middle of the library's homepage is the MerSearch tool. Below the search box itself, we have a few options. Articles Plus will search both databases and ebooks. Articles will just search articles. Today I'm going to search for just the articles, so I'll select the Articles button. Below that, the peer-reviewed box. If I wish to find exclusively peer-reviewed articles, I check this box. But today we're going to look for more than just peer-reviewed articles. Magazines, newspapers, and all will be acceptable. In the search box, we're going to put our search terms. Today we're going to look for digital divide. And you notice I put the quotation marks around these two words to lock these two words together in my search, so they'll be side by side in all of my results. The magnifying glass will execute my search for me. I have my results now on the screen. One other thing I wish to do is adjust the publication date. Over here to the left of the screen, I can adjust the publication date. I'm going to look for articles from 2016 to 2018. So I'm going to change the 1983 to 2016 and look for the range 2016 to 2018. The database will redo the search and give me just articles that meet my search criteria of newer articles. Working my way down the list, I can look through the varying articles. I'm going to select number 17 for an example because it comes in two full text formats. You'll find some articles will come in one or the other format. In this case, it's available in both formats. I get the title of the article, information about the author, dates, page numbers, things like that. The magnifying glass over the page here will allow me to see the added information about the article, including the abstract, which appears down here. This is a summary of what the article is about and will allow me to decide whether the whole article is really worthwhile for my search or not. It can be a bit of a time saver rather than having to read an entire article. If I like what I see, leaving the box here, if I click on the title of the article, it will step me into the article itself. Initially at the top, I have the title, information as I had in the results list. Here's the abstract once again. And below is the full text version of the article. To view the PDF version of the article, I need to click on the link here in the left-hand side of the page. And I'll get to see the PDF formatted article. The PDF format looks more like a scan of the original publication. The text is identical, so which format I use is truly just your own choice. Going to return back to the previous view. Off to the side, I have some options to work with. If I wish to print out the article, I may. If I wish to email the article, I'll mention emailing here. Clicking on email will bring me this screen up here to send myself an email. I'll need to put in my email address. I strongly encourage you to put in a subject, as the email will come without any subject unless you do. Also, I can put in a brief comment if I wish to remind myself something about this article, or remind myself to pay attention to paragraph 2 or page 7 or something like that. On the other side, citation format. If I turn this on and use the drop-down, I can select my citation format, maybe APA, MLA, and the citation will be emailed to me along with the article itself. Clicking on send will actually send the email out. Close this window down. Also, the cite icon here will give me the citation directly on the screen. Clicking on cite will bring up a window here. And in this case, I get a list of various formats of citation. Here's the APA formatted citation, for example. Working my way further down, here's the MLA formatted version of this citation. I can copy these and drop them into my Word document or whatever other place I need to place the citation. However, again, be careful and watch the citation, particularly formatting when you move to a different place. Sometimes the formatting does not all come. Also, make sure you give it a quick look, make sure everything looks okay and such. Citations are generally pretty good in the databases, but occasionally you'll see errors, particularly occasionally titles of articles, authors' names might be all in capital letters. If so, you'll need to change that to the usual convention of first letter capitalized, subsequent letters lowercase.